Do your virtual tool clients need a live stream solution that is not just pretty 360 photos? Buyers want to see the real house even during COVID, and they need to see it in 360 live without a VR headset. What about a multi-camera live stream in a tight space without breaking the bank account? Lots of 2D live stream need to have multiple angles, but you don't have 6 black magic cameras at home and you don't know how to use OBS. Or you just hate cables. I'm sure there are many more business applications will benefit from a cheap and easy multi-camera live stream solution. And today, I'm glad to tell you the new Qoocam AK Vloglive solution can be that cheap and easy solution without OBS and complicated cable routing. And it is so easy, you can go live in a minute and live stream as long as you want in 16:9, 1:1, 3:4, 4:3, or just any format you want on Facebook Live, Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. Yes, it is a crazy update, so let's dive right in. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. I hope you and your family are staying safe. Even though the restaurants are opening now and business start to get back to normal, lots of people will still rather stay at home to run their business instead of risking being outside. So, live stream solution is still very relevant right now. Well, correction, a cheap and easy live stream solution is still badly needed right now. You know how to do 360 live stream already following this tutorial. But most of your clients does not own a VR headset, so it's actually not as practical as a 2D live stream. So can we combine the benefit of a multi-angle 360 video into a 2D live stream? The answer is yes. Meet Vloglive, a new feature introduced by Qoocam AK in the V169 firmware update. Vloglive can switch the projection mode and shooting angle during live. It is like a multiple camera live stream solutions that capture everything around the camera. More than that, it allows you to switch from a non-distorted 2D view to GoPro wide angles view to super fisheye 180 view to tiny planet view and inverted tiny planet view. It's like an effect camera but live. DJ can even use that as a turntable and do something crazy like this. Not saying that you should, but it's possible. It has default anti-shake and lock horizon line. Great for vlog when you are moving. It's 2K flat live with the ratio of 1:1. The max resolution is 2160 by 2160. 1:1 is also the resolution I would recommend for Facebook livestream. YouTube 16:9 livestream, the max resolution is 1920 by 1080. It also has a default motion mode to prevent motion blur. Everything can be controlled within your phone without the need of any third-party plugin like OBS. So it is easy. If I can do it in a minute, you can probably do it in under 30 seconds. So let me do a live demo for you to show you how easy to go live in multi-camera style with the Qoocam AK new firmware. So now we already connect the iPhone with the Cantel Qoocam. You don't necessarily need to connect to the cable. You can also use Wi-Fi. You have 5G network. We don't have 5G network here, so we don't rely on the 5G network, the Wi-Fi connection in the phone to the camera. So that probably get you the best stable streaming solution. So in here, in the brand new Qoocam app, already connected to the Qoocam AK. Go here, right here, as you see. like live. So as you see, if you switch to live, immediately the fan turn off to help you to give you the best audio if you're not using external microphone. But I always recommend using external microphone. Go to Vloglive right here. Immediately give you a 3x4 resolution, but we are gonna do 16:9 because we are doing on YouTube today. So we're gonna do that. And then we can hit right here to input the stream key. Again, you see I'm using the other option, not YouTube, not Facebook, because first YouTube, this option require at least have 1,000 subscribers, and Facebook, you can't really control anything. So I always use the RTMP stream key right here, give you the best, most reliable streaming solution. So that's what I recommend you to use. It also have no restriction. Again, look at that, resolution is 4K in 4 megabits per second upstream with H.264. Go ahead, hit OK, done. And then go ahead and hit live. So you should receive a feed from your YouTube interface. So if I bring my laptop over here, you just see it. I'm gonna be out of focus. Right here. See right here, our signal right here is an excellent connection right here. Hopefully you see it. I'm just waiting for the feed to come in. Now actually come in. Oops. As you see, right here is 16:9 window. And if I change that into different projection, when I hit this button, show super fisheye. Let's see, you see super fisheye, and you also see super fisheye in actually will be in here in any moment. You see super fisheye right here. So it's working correctly. Okay, so as you see the interface right here is upside down, which is normal because Canada assume you this point should point up because the cable connect over there. So this view upside down because that's supposed to be the view. But again, it's easy for me to show you the interface by doing right side up. So that's why you see the view upside down. So first we have a couple options here. Here is the normal rectilinear view with no distortion. But as you see, you can hit right here, this button right here. We switch to the other side, which is mechanically right there. And just how you flip the lens easily with just one button push. And then we have fisheye distortion right here. That's a fisheye, super fisheye view. So you see such a wide angle, everything's in the frame. Again, you can hit this button right here. You can flip to the other lens for fisheye. See mechanical fisheye right here. Hopefully you see it. The next thing we're gonna do is here to show you a tiny planet view. And here you see an inverted tiny planet. In this view, you can scratch it like that. Look at that. You can scratch it like a DJ. In any direction you want. And if you click right here, it actually gives you a full 180-degree view. And it's a really, really wide fisheye view that none of the camera will have. I will actually say it's a 200-degree views. So you combine two lenses. So that is a really convenient, special view that if you want to have just super wide angle to see everything. We click right here. Now we have a different tiny planet. This is a tiny planet view. Same idea, you can scratch that like that. And you can also click this button and go to the super wide fisheye view with a different distortion. With that different distortion. So let's go back into natural view. Again, natural view, you can also just like do that, you know, to point to a different direction to show the client what's going on. Like I can show them my Carnegie, my Tangio, my Iron Man. I can show them my beautiful kitchen right here. And I can also show them that beautiful outside out there. It's kind of blown out because it's very sunny outside, but you can see it outside as well. Now we are outside. You are watching a live YouTube recording of the live stream. Thanks to the 5G network, I don't really need an Ethernet cable, so I can just run around outside and still sending live stream signal. As you see, the stabilization is okay, but not great. It looks like it only has anti-shake for now, but not the full 9-axis stabilization. It's good enough though for a wireless live stream. So who can benefit from this? Virtual tour for sure, but how about musicians? A live concert or a live performance? Also, live game show that you need to show audience reaction. How about a venues or a tourist attraction? This camera is so small, if you have a good 5G network, you can easily go live in the wild. Not like 360 Livestream, all you need is 4 megabit per second upstream speed. So most of the LTE network can handle that. Let me challenge you. Comment below and let me know how you will use this new feature in your own business. Your answer might inspire others as well. Besides the Vloglive, there is another feature rolling out called the Supervlog. Supervlog allows you to select an angle and projection mode before shooting, and it directly outputs a flat video onto your phone without the need of letting in a computer or dealing with the 8K footage. It's a lot easier when you are traveling. I will still suggest everyone learn how to edit with DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere for Qoocam 8K footage. Mobile workflow for video quality will never get anywhere near desktop editing. But if you are lazy, this feature will be perfect for you. Okay, this is just a quick update of the Qoocam 8K. Countdown is on fire and making new features that are not even in the original release feature list. They are really listen to their buyers and work their best to problem solve. I know some of you, especially the early adapters, do not have a good experience with the Qoocam 8K, but things have been changed and the camera in your hand is just getting better and better. For that, I will give Countdown a pause. As always, please give this video a like and share it on your social media. It helped me to continue to provide you the latest 360 camera information and the best tutorial to up your 360 VR game. If you have not already, please consider to subscribe to us and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. And I will see you next time.